Hello, everyone. How are you today? My name is Dahlia. Please call me Del, Miss Del, or Teacher Del to students and their parents. I am a Filipino Canadian with over 20 years' experience teaching preschool and elementary students. Back in Manila, Philippines, my husband, and is here, Grant, and we established Development of English Learners School, where we taught students ages 2 to over 60 years old. Whether you need lessons in conversational English, grammar review, or just help in pronunciation and vocabulary, I can help you with that. I can also help you gain poise and confidence when you need to prepare for a speech or oral presentation skills. If you are preparing for a job interview or taking IELTS/ESL, I can help you get ready for your exams, particularly in writing tasks 1 and 2 and speaking. If you or your child needs assistance in academic English or learning English or Tagalog as a second language, please send me a private message. Book an appointment so we can discuss your options, schedule of lessons, etc. Allow me to make a positive difference in your learning experience. And to that I say, I wish you have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.